First website to make money online is cashstars.com, where you can get paid to search Google, watch YouTube videos, and play video games. And this is honestly the easiest method to make money online from anywhere in the world. And it also doesn't require any previous experience and it is completely free. So in this video, I want to share with you 25 brand new websites that anyone can use from anywhere in the world to make money online within 24 hours. Beginning with the second website, which is a little bit more comfortable, is to go over to currentrewards.us, where you can get paid to listen to music and you can get paid only up to $120 per year. But that's fine because you don't really need to do any active work. Bear in mind, this is only available in US and only for the App Store. The next website that is available for all of us is mobrock.com, which does pay a lot more than the previous websites, but it's kind of boring because it has a lot of different surveys and offers where you have to go through different questions and answers, all of that. But yes, you can get paid a lot more than from the previous website. You can get paid for sharing your opinion and helping those companies decide and make new better products. So they are just looking for someone's honest opinion, and you can get paid from 50 cents to $3 per completed survey, and you can complete as many of them as you prefer. Next website is rewardful.com, where you can find different affiliate programs and you can promote different companies and offers as an affiliate, and you can earn affiliate commissions if you have a good traffic source. The next website is for those that have passion for photography at mypic.co. You can sell your photos and you can get paid. You can earn passive income from them. So all you're doing is pretty much just upload your photos. They'll sell them for you and you'll earn commissions. Next website you make money online is onlinebusinessacademy.com. If you go to onlinebusinessacademy.com creator access, or you can just click on start selling over here, you can start selling digital products and courses and you can get traffic from the platform itself. So basically the way this platform works is you can upload your courses and digital products and the platform will get you traffic. You will get lifetime promotions and you can get to keep 100% of the profit from your every sale you get, an entire sales page done for you. So you don't have to build a website. You can actually get a sales page that really converts, and you don't have to pay thousands of dollars to build a website from scratch. You can also get traffic from the platform itself and many other benefits. So if you're into selling digital products or building courses or building a personal brand, then you can get lifetime promotions by starting to sell the online business academy. The next website is designcrowd.com, and this is for those with passion for graphic design. Just because if you go to the job section over here, you can select, let's say, logo design. As you can see that somebody's logo design services will pay you $200 per completed task to literally just upload a logo that you can create in Canva or Photoshop, doesn't matter. Whatever you want to use, you can just generate these logo designs and other graphic design products. You can also sell them on here. We can see that some people from all around the world are making hundreds of thousands of dollars selling graphic design services over here. And the next very similar website that you can use is 99designs.com, because over here you can complete different tasks and you can participate in their contests to make money online as a graphic designer. So you can scroll a little bit down and you can filter this out only by open contest, and you can see that some of these literally pay you $300 per logo you upload. The next website is pricerebel.com. This is a platform where you can get paid to complete surveys, offers that have been there for a while. They have given millions of dollars to their users, but do not expect to get rich with this platform in particular because they barely pay $200 a month, and that's like even if you do a lot of work on it. So that's why you need to stack as many of these different websites. Choose which one pay you the most and combine multiple if you actually want to make some decent amount of money online. But the reason I love this one is because it pay instantly. So when you make some money, you can instantly withdraw it and spend it on whatever you want to. The next website is secondtonone.com, where you can do mystery shopping from other people. So you're going to be pretty much James Bond with this one. People are going to pay you to do mystery shopping. Go run, do mystery shopping for them, and you can get paid quite decent with this website. It does require a lot of work and it's only available in the US and Canada, but if you are from those countries, just go ahead and test it. The next website to make money online is dfidave.com/career, where you can apply for different jobs that include YouTube script writing, the voiceover artist, YouTube video editing, YouTube graphic designer, or just making thumbnails for YouTube channel and YouTube channel manager. So if you have some experience in these fields, make sure to go out there and apply for those positions because they can be very lucrative. They can open so many different doors and we are going to be working together. So it's completely free to apply. The next website to make money online is called rollapp.com, where you're going to be in the AI space. So you're essentially going to be helping AI and augmented reality to make better decisions. And according to them, you can essentially change the web or change the world and be a part of the next internet's revolution. And also, yeah, some earn some rewards and get paid through PayPal, and it is completely free. I think a lot of you are going to love this one because at rover.com, you can get paid to play with pets and get paid to just walk someone's dog or just play with their cat, and they're going to pay you some decent amount of money on here. Some of the people here are making $30,000 a year just by taking care of someone's pet. Now this does require pretty decent amount of work, but it also quite pays well. If you're really a dog lover and you really like pets, so then it's not really going to feel like hard work. The next episode on our list is prolific.com, and if you go to prolific.com participants, you can participate in the research, you can help them do better research and get paid different rates. It literally takes 20 minutes to complete. So researchers pay a minimum of $8 an hour, but many pay more. So just expect that it's going to be around $8 to $9 per hour to get paid to do research for them. And also if you use free tools like Scholar AI and ChatGPT, you can do their research 1,000 times faster. The next website is for those who have very nice voice, because if you go to clearvoice.com, you can get paid for completing different voiceovers and just for reading different tags for different people. Besides that, you can also write content for companies, brands and businesses, and this is also a part of Fiverr company, and Fiverr is one of the biggest freelancing platforms out there. So there's a lot of money to be made here, and there's a lot of clients that demand this high, and I feel like the supply is just not there. The next website is called textmaster.com, where you can get paid to translate text and write content for different people around the world, and especially for different companies and businesses that are looking for a real translator, and not just someone translating everything with AI. The next website on our list is Airbnb, where you can rent out different properties. But if you don't have a property to rent out, there's different ways that you can make money with it. You see, there's people just like me who spend a lot of money on Airbnb, and what 99.9% of these listings lack is better optimization, better images, or someone who is just going to help them get more customers or people renting these places and host on Airbnb. Sometimes that makes tens of thousands of dollars, but on the flip side, there's a lot of hosts who have great places, but they just don't even know how to optimize their listings properly, and they may sound on all of the money that's available on Airbnb. So if you go out there and reach out to host on Airbnb and tell them that you can, for example, get better images for them or just enhance the quality of their images and bump the colors up, whatever, that might help them stand out from the crowd and potentially get more customers, and they would probably be willing to pay you hundreds of dollars for a service like that. And there's endless hosts on Airbnb. The next website on our list is Google AdSense, and Google AdSense can be connected to either your blog, your website, so you can make money from views on your website, or it can become connected to your YouTube channel. Now, you don't necessarily have to record the videos with the camera or show your face in front of the camera in order to make money online with Google AdSense connected to your YouTube channel, so you can see how that actually works. The next website over here is called cardsell.app. And the name is pretty much it's self-explanatory. You're gonna get paid when you sell your gift cards. So if you have small gift cards, you can just go there and sell them here. If you don't have any gift cards, then you can just go to instagc.com, which gives you instant gift cards for completing different tasks such as watching videos, searching the web, completing surveys, and so on. You get instant gift, and then you can just instantly sell the money on cardsell.app and actually turn that into cash. You can get paid via PayPal. The next website on the list is pretty interesting. It's called threadup.com, where you can clean out your closet and clean out your house if you have some old stuff lying around the house. You don't actually have to go there and take picture of each item and then list on eBay to try and sell it, or go to Craigslist or anything like that. Just go to this one website, You can send them a bag of the items that you have around the house and they'll just send you cash for that. So you don't actually have to go there and sell it yourself. Obviously going to be you're going to be paid less, but in most of the cases people just throw it away. Either way, so now you can pack it up in a bag and throw it away to the post office and you can potentially get paid for it. The next website is dreamsite.com where you can sell stock photos. So again, this is for those passionate for photographers. You can get paid anywhere from 1.25 to $3 per image that you sell. You can also sell videos and audio files as well. The next website is ipoll.com where you can get paid for giving your opinion, for answering different questions. You can either get gift cards, which again, if you don't know what to do, then just go to cartsell.app and sell them for actual cash. Or in some cases, you can actually get real rewards and real cash that you can spend on whatever you want. The next website on our list is called partner.steadyapp.com where you can get paid for all sorts of different things. There's literally thousands of different ways to make money with this app. They have a lot of different offers available for anyone who signs up, but this is mostly for people coming from the US. The next job is pretty cute, but you can go to sittercity.com and you can be a babysitter and you can get paid tens of thousands of dollars a year to babysit around the US. So if you love kids, if you love being around kids, you can definitely just go to sittercity.com. You can apply for completely free and get paid to babysit for other people, play with kids and make some money. The next website is again a James Bond website, because if you go to bestmark.com, you can become a mystery shopper for other people. You can do some mystery shopping for people around the world. And again, I made a free YouTube automation training, link in the description box down below. If you like today's video, make sure to drop a like down below and subscribe for more making money methods.